In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a background image transparent in Google Slides. This skill can be handy for enhancing presentations, allowing text to stand out against a subtle image backdrop without compromising readability. So let's get started on making your slides more visually appealing. First, to begin this process, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. You can do this by typing in Google Slides into your search bar and clicking on the first link that appears. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. This is a crucial step as it allows you to access and edit your presentations wherever you are. Use your Google credentials to sign in, ensuring that you have access to all the features Google Slides has to offer. Once you are signed in, you will be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Here you have a couple of choices. Either click on a blank presentation to start from scratch, or if you prefer, select a template that suits the theme of your project. Templates can offer a helpful starting point when you're aiming for a specific look or feel, but a blank presentation gives you full creative freedom. Now let's focus on bringing in the image you want to work with. Insert an image onto your slide by going to the menu bar and selecting Insert followed by Image. This allows you to choose from several options, such as uploading from your computer, searching the web, or even using Google Drive. Select your image and place it on the slide where you would like it. After your image is positioned, it's time to proceed to the adjustment phase. Click on your image to select it. Once it's selected, look to the menu bar and click on Format. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, click on Format Options. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen, offering various settings you can adjust to perfect your image. Scroll down in this sidebar until you find the section labeled Adjustments. Here you will see an option for transparency. Click on this and you will notice a slider. Adjusting this slider alters the transparency of your image. Moving it to the right will make the image more transparent, whereas moving it to the left will make it less transparent. Play around with this setting until you achieve the desired transparency that complements your slide's content. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can make an image background transparent in Google Slides. This can help improve the professional appearance of your presentations and ensure that your content communicates clearly. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.